This represents to me what H from college is. It's not just like a normal university. It gives you the possibility of doing a lot of things. You just have to be in the front line for everything. If you want to do something here, you can do that. I'm Anna. I am a former farmer. I did my master here in international business, and right now I'm a business developer for AWMS. I've always been a very entrepreneurial child and also teenager. I did athletics for 12 years, and that was my life. And there was no other things that I wanted to do. Of course, I've always been a very focused girl, also while I was studying, because I always wanted to achieve the maximum. So I am an entrepreneurial person, but I've always been an entrepreneurial person. We are a family of 4, and I have a little brother, Giacomino. Actually, he's 18, but for me, it's just my little brother. He inspires me, and he sometimes teaches me how to live some kind of situation for which I just care too much, I overthink, and he's my very, very big inspiration for that. The first time I heard about H Farm College was during my Erasmus, because there was a student of H Farm College, and he talked about the college and the activities and the network and the entrepreneurial people. I mean, it's the perfect fit for me. So I was like, okay, once I will be back, I want to know something more about this college. I found the website and I was like, oh my God, there's a open day. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. And that was it. I was used to, the classic, normal, boring university. And here it's completely different. You can feel a different vibe and emotions, and everything is so green. I don't know, it was a different feeling. When I had to choose my master degree, I didn't know what I wanted to do. And I chose the master in international business here in H Farm, because you have an overview of different topics and different fields, from marketing to human resource, from data analytics to supply chain. By seeing everything, I have a better overview of what a company does, of how things works inside a company. I think it's valuable, because who knows, maybe in 10 years I want to change completely, and thanks to what I studied, I can do that. H from college helped me a lot understanding where I wanted to go with my future, and also the company I was choosing. With many inspirational talks to which I attended here, and having manager like in class telling us their stories, I understood that many of them started like from scratch, I would say. So you can create your career path. You have to do what is the best for you right now, and then just things gonna come. I suffer of depression back in 2020 during COVID. It was very tough. Literally, I cannot remember anything during the 8 months. And I started my university, I did my first exams, I did many, many things, which I don't remember. So it was very difficult for me, because I was aware of the fact that I was doing very bad. I was just laying on the bed. But that period taught me a lot about the person I am, how my feelings about certain situation and certain things are. And I'm using what I learned in that 8 months to just understand which place is the right place for me right now, what I really want to do in my life. Because sometimes I've felt the pressure of society and of always doing better and be the best one. So right now I understand what to really care. So I just chose my path based on my past experiences. And these things is helping me a lot. One thing that I always saying to everyone is that H from college gives you a lot of possibilities. And I've always been a huge fan of Camilla Clemente. She's the brand owner of Amore, who is a brand who was born in 2020 on TikTok. And I've always followed her on TikTok. And in April last year, Alice came to me and she was like, I have to ask you something. Camilla is coming here for the Future Shots. Do you want to interview her? And I screamed, I think. I mean, I don't remember, but I was very, very happy. And I interviewed her, and that is a very special moment for me. And also this represents to me what H from college is. The amount of people with an entrepreneurial spirit, with ideas, helped me a lot understanding who I want to be.